If I want to deploy this project one, okay, let assume that I have not thought that is our agenda. I mean, we are not giving any values in the local project. I don't want to give that. So if I want to deploy this project one independently, how the configurations I will get from the domain project? I need to refer this project one to the domain project, right? Then all the configurations present in that will be inherited to the project one. Similarly, when I deploy, if I want to deploy project 2, I will refer to the domain project. The values, the configuration present in the domain project will be inherited. So whenever you are deploying any local project, that means a project that can be referred to the domain project, then the values present in that will be inherited. Okay, the configuration present in that will be inherited. Now you need to remember one point. This domain project is not for writing common flows. Okay, this is not a project for a common flows. This is a project for common configurations. That means common global elements. Okay, you need to remember this point. Why I'm telling this is not related. The design itself is like that. See, whenever you create any Mule project, one configuration XML will be created, right? That configuration XML contains 3 tabs. That means three tabs here. What are those? Yes, please. What is the first one? Message flows.
Oh yeah, message flow, global element.
Where we write the flows, and global element where we configure the global elements or common configurations. And what is the configuration XML will have? Combination of these two, correct? In XML format, right? Now, similarly, if you create a domain project, you will be having a only 2 tabs. There is no message flow tab, only global elements and a configuration XML. The design itself is like that. If we have message flow tab, then we can have a palette and we can drag and drop all the configurations. But here we have only global elements and a configuration XML. So only we can configure the global elements in the domain project.